think the next vlog that we do, we're gonna talk about house plans with you guys. Bye. You got it, baby.
You got it. Is it heavy?
See you later. Say bye.
Bye.
I love you. You be a good girl. It's just me and you, bud. Huh? Just me and you now. What are we gonna do? Maybe we should go take a nap? Yeah. Bye. See you later. Little cutie. Go, 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 go. Okay, you guys, I stepped outside just to get a little bit of fresh air and say hi. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna just hang out and run some errands. I got Emmy off to my mom's house. She is going to be spending the day there so that we can get some things done. Also, Oakley is not his best self right now. We're not really sure what's going on, but for about a week now, he has not had a voice, and we're not sure if it's, you know, related to teething or, well, we're not really sure what's going on. I asked you guys on Instagram if you had ever experienced something like this, and a couple of you messaged back and said you went through the same thing, that your kid didn't have any other like cold symptoms or anything, but didn't have a voice, so you took him in, and it turned out to be an ear infection or strep throat. And so it's been about a week now, and Oakley is also not sleeping very well at all at night. He takes pretty good naps during the day, but nighttime is just a whole nother story. And I am so tired. Like today, I just have no energy. I was up so many times with Oakley last night, then he got up at 6:30 this morning, and I'm just tired. And so we're gonna take him to urgent care today and see if they can tell us what's going on with him. He's also teething. He also is at the age where there's sleep regressions. So it could be all of those things. It could just be a bad combination of it all. But at least I want to take him in and get that all ruled out, or get like any sickness ruled out. Just, I don't know, he's not a happy guy. He's not happy, and he usually is. So we're gonna do that. Andrew has taken Emmy to my parents' house. I'm home with Oakley. He's taking a nap. I am going to maybe get my nails done today after we take him to urgent care. And I also I feel like I need to clean my house. I feel disgusted with it, and there's some things like the bathrooms really need to be cleaned, and then there's just like some organization projects that I really want to get to. I don't know if I will today, but the basement really needs to be cleaned out. And then there's just some like piles of things in the house that have been there forever. Like on our kitchen island, not the island, but the bar. Those chairs are just always full of stuff that don't have a place to go. So I really want to just get that out of the way today. I feel like I'll feel better if I can do that. Also a nap would feel really good. This is the area that I was talking about that just, it's a catch-all and it gets cluttered really fast. But we just tend to pile our junk here on these chairs. Like this has been here for, I don't even know how long it's been here, but too long. So I'm gonna go through it right now and knock it out. I really don't want to. I would love to just get in bed and take a nap, but I know I would not be happy with myself if I'm not productive. This is the cutest jammy set. I have another color in it. It's from Target, and I want to get like all of the colors because it's just really cute on and it's comfy. So I got this color in my size, and the pants are large, which is not gonna fit. I wear small in this, and so that's a little bit disappointing. So I'm gonna have to take this back. Lesson learned, always check both sizes before you buy something. So this is much better. I still have a whole pile of stuff that Andrew needs to go through because this is all his stuff. This is an Ancestry DNA kit that Andrew needs to take. I got him this for Father's Day and he still hasn't done it. So I'm gonna have him do that today so we can get rid of that, go through this pile, and then that feels so much better. And I didn't just like move stuff to another location. I like actually put it away where it needs to go. All right, I am gonna change out of this dress. I think it is the cutest thing ever. I got it off of Amazon. It was only like $18 and it comes in all different colors, but it's really see-through and I'm really disappointed in that, only because like it doesn't look see-through now, but Andrew even was like, you can see everything. So I'm gonna take it off just because I don't feel like flashing y'all while I'm cleaning the house and stuff like that. But guys, isn't this such a cute dress? I wish it wasn't see-through. I'm not really a slip person, but it might be something worth investing in just because this dress is so cute. And 18 bucks off Amazon. Isn't that crazy? And like you said, it comes in so many different colors. But for now, I'm gonna change so that I can clean the house. This is what I'm gonna wear for now. Weird, I don't know. This is just like a regular shirt that I front tied, and then these are some of my favorite leggings. They're Fabletics. I did a whole video talking about them, but they're really comfy. So I'm just gonna wear this today. It's comfy. That's all that matters, right? Especially when I'm feeling the way I am after the night that I had last night and the week that I've had, and with the day that we have planned. So let's go do some more cleaning. So we have a little bit of a change of plans with what we're gonna do today. We were gonna take him to the doctor to see if he had any like ear infection or something that's causing his voice to be hoarse, but his pediatrician is not in the office today, and so our only other option was to take him to urgent care. And I really want him to be able to see a pediatrician, and especially his pediatrician, and his voice sounds a little bit better today. So we just decided that we will take him in tomorrow. So I'm gonna make this a 2-part vlog, and we'll just take him in tomorrow and see what she says. He has his 9-month checkup coming up in a few days anyway, so we'll probably just see if we can bump that up to tomorrow. One thing though that I have noticed is that he is full force teething right now. He has 2 bottom teeth, 3 top teeth, and then there's a 4th top tooth popping through, like right there. You can see it. So that could be the whole root of the issue. I don't know. So we're gonna just, I don't know, we'll take him tomorrow and see what they have to say about that. But for his teething, I am gonna do something. I don't use any of the gels or anything that you can get from like Target or Walmart. There's like horror stories and they've honestly just freaked me out whether they're true or not. So what we do for teething in our house is we use copaiba essential oil, and this has the same properties as the cannabis plant, but it doesn't have obviously the THC, which gets you high and things like that, but it does help with teething for both adults, babies, and if adults have any kind of discomfort in their mouth, then copaiba is really good. Like if you've gone to the dentist and it's just uncomfortable, he wants this so bad. The copaiba is so good for it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to just put a little bit, like a teeny tiny bit on my finger. Here, you can have this back. Here. And then I am going to just rub the little bit that's on my finger up on his gum where his tooth is. And it doesn't taste great, so he's probably not gonna like it, but I'm just gonna rub it on there and hopefully this will help. Another way that you can use this is to put it in a roller bottle and fill it up with fractionated coconut oil or whatever, and then roll it along the bottom of their jawline. So you can do it both ways or do both of them if you want to. We are gonna get in the car. I don't even know where we're going, but we just wanted to get out of the house, and so we might run some errands or what, but I'll take you guys with us. So we just got in the car and kind of rode around and looked at houses. I think the next vlog that we do, we're gonna talk about house plans with you guys. But anyways, we were just looking, driving around. It was nice to get out of the house for a little bit. And we, on Wednesday nights, usually go out to dinner. Just me and Andrew. It's like our weekly date night. We do take Oakley with us, but it's so nice to just get out and have dinner together as kind of a date. But tonight I forgot that I have something that I need to go to, so we were planning on going to dinner tonight and then it got changed around. So we're gonna just do like a late lunch. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon and we are just gonna grab some Mexican food and have an early date night.